Who are your friends? Because your friends, they are either a barrier to destiny or a bridge to destiny. Your friends either increase you, decrease you, or neutralize you. The people you call your friends, they are either a blessing or a burden. They are either a help or a hindrance. They either exalt you or exhaust you. They either make you better or bitter. And that is why I want you, they either develop you or drain you. And that is why I want you today to reflect on your relationships and your friendships, because the Bible says in Proverbs 13:20 that he that walks with the wise will become wise. And in 1 Corinthians 15:33 the Bible says that evil company corrupts good morals. That is why you have to be careful about the people in your life. And many people are stagnating in life. Nothing is working, nothing is moving because of wrong relationships. Wrong relationships will kill your joy. Wrong relationships will kill your vision. Wrong relationships will kill your passion. Wrong relationships will kill your faith. Wrong relationships will kill your drive for success. And I'm challenging you to let go. Anybody that is not adding value in your life, anybody that is a waster and not an investor, let them go. Because when wrong people leave your life, wrong things stop happening. When toxic people leave your life, toxic things stop happening. And when right people come into your life, right things begin to happen. I challenge you this year, walk with the right people. People that add value to your life, people that add significance to your life, people that improve your life and benefit your life. Amos 3:3 says, two cannot work together unless they are agreed. That means you cannot be different from those whom you closely associate with. That is why the Bible, it never told you to make everybody your friend. It only told you to love your neighbor. That means I can love you, but I don't have to make you my friend. Don't walk with people that are not going your direction, because relationship is by choice, but love is a must. That means I can love you, but I don't have to make you my friend. So this year I challenge you, you've got to choose your relationships. People that are going to become a blessing and not a burden. People that will add significance and usefulness to your life. You need to understand this very well. Be with people who motivate, inspire, and positively challenge you. Choose wisely.